we're just learning about fractions. We're just learning about big fractions and small fractions and how fractions are equivalent. And so we want to make sure that we can master it well. So you're going to click play easy when you get up here, okay? Now, you're working as a team, okay? So everyone has to work as a team in this game. And we know how to work as a team. That means we're going to make a decision together, okay? So that might be a little bit challenging. You're going to be in groups of 5 or 6. And so you're going to have to make a decision as a team before you can click your answer on the smart board. So guess what? It says choose your dolphin. Can you just be like, I love yellow? Bam, pick yellow. Can you do that?
No.
No, okay? So you're going to have to decide as a team for the first round what color you're going to pick, okay? So let's say you chat for a second, you guys pick red, okay? So you're going to pick red. So here's your countdown, okay? So which dolphin is yours right now? Red, okay? So down here it says select a fraction to move your dolphin. Do you think you want to move your dolphin farther or shorter?
Farther.
Farther. Okay, so you have 4 fractions down here. Guess what else you have? You have this handy dandy resource of the whiteboard. So if you want to draw pictures up here, you can. So you've got 6/7, you have 2/3, you have 1/6, and you have 5/6. Okay? So you might want to do something like draw these fractions up here. Now let's say that you're in your group and you're thinking, oh, I totally know the answer. Like, I know the answer, okay? Can you just come up on the smart board and just hit your answer?
No.
Why not?
Because what if
Why not, Savannah?
you can't because you have to decide it with your group.
We have to decide it with your group. Right. So if you think you know the answer, what do you think you need to do, Aaron? How do you think you can decide as a group? So, do you hit it? Okay. You can't hit it until you do what, Patrick? That's a good guess.
With your team.
Discuss it with your team, okay? So, how can you prove to your group members that you think your answer is right? Charles?
You can tell them that something is maybe bigger or smaller, and then you decide with the group with your answer, and if they want that answer.
Okay. So you want to talk about which answer you think is bigger or smaller. So one thing you can do is draw a picture up here, you guys, if you want to prove it to your group, okay? Now, everyone in your group might not agree, so you're going to have to go with majority rule. So let's say you have 5 people in your group and 3 people agree, you're going to have to make a decision. Okay, who thinks they have an idea right now what the answer is up here? Who thinks they know? Lily, what do you think?
1/6.
You think it's 1/6. I had a feeling a lot of people would pick that one. Okay, 1/6. What do you think, Stefan?
6 out of 7.
6 out of 7. Okay, what do you think, Adelina?
6 out of 7.
6 out of 7. What do you think, Abdil?
5 out of 6.
5 out of 6. What do you think, Elena?
1/6.
We got a lot of different answers, don't we? I'm going to do a picture real quick, okay? So 1/6 means I have how many equal parts, guys? 6. Okay, so not the perfect drawing, but close enough. 1 out of 6. Okay, is that a lot?
No.
Not really. Okay, let's try 5 out of 6. You know what? I'm just going to use the same picture over here, and I'm going to shade 5 out of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one's more?
Oh,
So this one's definitely out, right? Okay. What about 2 out of 3? How many equal parts? 3 equal parts. 1, 2. Pretty close, but which one looks bigger to you? 5, 6. So that one's out. So we're in between 5, 6, and 6, 7. That's a really tricky question, you guys. Okay? So this is probably one of the hardest ones out there. Go figure, they give me a hard one to explain this to you guys. So I've got a shade in 6, 7. They kind of look the same, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay. But if I have the same shape, and this is broken into 6 pieces, and this is broken into 7 pieces, and I have 6 out of 7 or 5 out of 6, it's kind of hard to tell from my picture. What do you think? turn and talk to a partner that you're sitting by. What do you think?
That would make it kind of bigger.
You guys make your dog get in.
Wait, no. One of our math words would be parallel. So you take it and so you can make 7. Yeah, and you don't make it 6. Yeah, because you make your dog
Ready to rock!
Ready to roll!
Okay. What's your answer, everybody? What's your answer, everybody? Say it.
6 out of 7.
6 out of 7?
Yeah.
How many people think that's the answer? You guys, majority wins. You're right, okay? Because there are more parts on this one. There are 7 parts. And 6 out of 7 is more shaded parts than this one. That is a really tricky one because it's so super close. Let's see if we're right. Bam. Oh yeah, our dolphin moved the farthest. Now, do you guys see how long it took us to figure out just that one single problem?
Yeah.
Was that easy?
No.
So in your groups, you're gonna have to be really thoughtful in talking about it in your groups, okay?